So we got some leaked images of the Oneplus Open 2. And yeah, it looks just as thin as we were told and informed of. Now, what's funny is like we got some leaked images of the Oneplus Open 2. It's literally just the Oppo Find N5, which again, I'm actually surprised we haven't got more leaked images or more leaked, anything of this device. It's been very tight-lipped, which is kind of crazy when there's two different iterations, and not only that, there's, leakers all over China pretty much, and this phone is going to get released in China first and then come to America. So it's kind of crazy, to be honest, that we haven't got more images. But we did get one from OnePlus about a week ago, which was just the pencil and how thin the actual device is. It's thinner than a pencil. Well, now we know it's also thinner than anything else because, holy moly, these images are kind of crazy. I mean, look at that. So, yes, it's going to look exactly like the OnePlus Open 1. Just how it is. It's going to look exactly the same. Almost identical. No real difference from the OnePlus Open 1. But really, what's the big thing is, under the hood, we have a Snapdragon 8 Gen or 8 Elite processor, which is going to be powerful as anything. 16 gigabytes of RAM. It's going to have fast wireless charging. It's going to have the biggest battery of any foldable cell phone, and I think cell phone period. 5900 millihertz. Although I think Vivo actually got 6000, so it might be like 100 minus Vivo, but still, very, very powerful device. Very awesome device. I'm excited. I'm very excited for this phone to actually come out and see what the benchmarks looks like and how good this phone is. It's going to be more powerful than the Z Fold 7. We already know from yesterday's video the Z Fold 7 will have a watered down version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. It's going to be the same exact Elite processor, but one performance core is missing, which is a kind of dumbed down version. So we know this will not have that problem. This will be full on, best of the best processor, best of the best RAM, and it should be a very, very good device. So we'll see how this ends up working out, but I have high hopes for the OnePlus Open 2. I have high hopes for the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and I have very, very low expectations for the Z Fold 7. It just doesn't seem like Samsung really is trying anymore. Seems like they're kind of, at a point where, not that they're giving up. I don't think they're giving up. But I think that they're just kind of in that weird area where they're trying to reinvent themselves. And now going with the special edition phones, those were successful. Then they're going to try to go toward the opposite direction here now. And they're going to go with tri-foldable phones and see if those are successful. It just seems like they're not as connected, I feel like, as they used to be. But it is what it is. See you guys next one, though. Peace.